Hi, you're watching Professor Plays. I'm continuing my Factorio blueprint test. I want to try to build the refinery today, the oil processing. So I'm standing over here where the blueprint is for oil processing. Here it is on the map. There is oil coming in by train. We did that in the last episode. There's crude oil in the tanks. And here's where the refinery is in the blueprint. So let's see if I can get some of this built and start some oil processing going. These individual machines are called oil refinery machines. Then I also refer to this whole thing, but I probably should call this oil processing, all of this. So let's see what we can do here. Crude oil here. I need power in here. My hardware store builds the machines. So I picked up some machines, the oil refinery machines. That's this thing. And the only recipe we have right now is basic oil processing. So you do shift right click and shift left click and you can copy the recipe. Now why wasn't that in the blueprint that way? Because the blueprint has advanced oil processing recipes in there. And then I need crude in here. Did I? Oh, I must have broke that. Let's see. I need to get crude in here. Well, that'll give me crude in there. There we go. That'll work. You don't need to build many. With crude oil, basic oil processing, probably 4 is enough. So when you're doing it by hand, getting 4 machines going is probably good enough. You just want some petroleum gas. Then you need to plumb that petroleum gas. Here is a pump, and it goes into these tanks here. And just a couple tanks is probably all you need for now. Like that. I'm going to build all of them though, because I'm testing the entire print, but like that. In fact, how does that... Oh, I probably do need to build them all, because it comes out of here. This is how it goes up to the rest of the factory. Right here. I'm assuming this goes to the factory. I'm headed in the factory direction. We'll find out where it goes. It's a long way to the factory. Oh, it's hard to see. And are you going to the factory? Yes, you are. Zoom out a little bit here a second. See where I'm going. And are you... Yeah, okay, that looks correct. There's the constant combinator I put up there to label that pipeline as petroleum gas. So that looks correct. Let's get some petroleum gas in there. Probably should have did that first before I ran that pipe up there. And then, are you... You are not all running. Oh, I need to connect these. Okay, so petroleum gas is here. Petroleum gas is here. Okay. That part of the print got erased. That's why we test. So this goes here and there. There we go. That's 4 machines. They're running. I see flame. They're making petroleum gas going into the tanks. You don't have power. Again, why we test. Where it looks best up there, down here probably. There's power. Okay. How did you get... Oh, you got power from up there. Huh. Is that redundant then? I guess that Paul's redundant. Okay. So we have oil refineries going, 4 of them. we have petroleum gas. We have petroleum gas up here in this pipe. And this is going to the factory. And this should be enough to start some plastic right here. And that is plastic up there. Okay, that looks correct. Do I have any chemical plants? I do have chemical plants. Okay, and you need power over here. How did you normally connect? You normally connected through here, apparently. Oh, I don't have... Okay, let's put these in there. Now we have power. Alright, and then coal. We need coal, and plastic comes out of there. Okay, coal. Where's that? Oh, here's coal right here. Again, I'm testing this complete factory blueprint. This is the first test of the print, and I'm finding some things that I had changed and didn't change correctly. That's the whole idea. Okay, we're making some plastic. Okay, let me grab some supplies here from the mini mall. There we go. I missed them. Fast inserters and medium electric. Medium electric up here. All right, and plastic. Like this. And not like that. The print was correct, I didn't build it correctly. Okay, there's some plastic. And up here. Yeah, we can go all the way up through there. I don't know if I can supply that much plastic right now, but we'll find out. Okay. And you need copper. Copper. Oh, okay, I see something missing. Let's see. Yeah, you're not correct. So that goes like that. I pasted the blueprints on top of there again to try to fix something. And this was not in there. This is a lane balancer. If you have material coming in and it balances the material and gives you even flow on the different belts. And I pasted another blueprint on top of there to try to get the recipes in here. See this right here? And when I did that, it put that little segment in there, that ghosted segment, so now the balancer's broken. Just got to get that out of there. Those are the things I'm testing and breaking, and when I get it all running, this series, when I get it all working, I'll make another blueprint of the thing. And then the blueprint will be correct because we'll know it's correct. It'll be working. Coal looks kind of weak. I'll look at that later. And then you don't have power. Why don't you have power? Where were you supposed to get power? I have no idea. And why don't you have power now? Oh, because there's no electric poles. Now there is. Now you have power. You need circuits. Circuits. Boy, that's hard to see. Probably tired of hearing me say that. How did you... I can't even tell. Can't even tell where circuits were supposed to get up there. This is supposed to be circuits here. There. What? What is going on? I have no idea. That's a belt going to the right. That can't be correct. You need circuits on you. That's for that. So something's missing here. This will need to be like this. You need, doesn't matter, you need circuits. You need circuits in any side of the belt. Okay, so this can go like this. And like that. And that'll give you circuits. Okay. That might work, and you need copper. And this should have copper on all 4 lanes because there's a balancer. Yes, okay, so this is supposed to go like this. I'm going to run right over. Yeah, I did. I drove right over the top of something. What were you? You were the copper that I need, so I just erased whatever was there. So this should go. This should go like this, I think. That will give me copper, and you're going to need probably 2 lanes. And this goes up here like this. And like that. Is that copper? I see copper. Yes. No. Yes, I do see copper. Okay, there's some advanced circuits. Oh, I don't have chemical science yet. Is that all? Can I research anything else? Those I can research. Chemical science, everything that requires chemical science. Okay. We're almost there. So where is chemical science? Did I put it in the print? It must be here somewhere. Chemical science, where are you at? The blue one. No. Yes, you were the blue one. Right there's the label. Okay, I need you. You were chemical science. Nope. Okay, Control Z is any undo. If you go too far with, like I just did, Control Z and you undo. Okay, so now, oh, you need power. Let's see. Who has power here? Power is over here somewhere. You have power. Right. It doesn't go over there. How did I have power routed over there anyway? Here? Maybe it's here. Nope, you still don't have power. Somehow you were supposed to... Oh, up here. There we go. That gave you power. Okay. I don't have any electric poles. Let me grab some stuff. What do we need? We need electric poles. And belt. Medium electric. Medium electric. And undergrounds. And belt. And machines. Oops, what happened? Grabs the wrong ones? Grabs the wrong ones. What did I grab? Oh, there aren't any. Huh? Okay, I broke something. Oh, there's a ghosted chest there. Is that breaking that? Yep, that was broken. That ghosted chest was breaking the ability for this inserter to place the machine 1 and this machine to pick it up. I really don't want a chest full of those, though. Here, we'll just do it like that. 1 stack. That should be enough for machine 1s. Then they're picked up from this chest and placed on the ground. Picked up with this inserter and placed in here because this machine 2 needs a machine 1 as an input. Do I have any machine 1s I can recycle? No, I think I recycled them all already. I did. I recycled them all. Okay, give me some of those. So now we're making some circuits. Okay. And we need to go this is chemical science here. You don't have a recipe. And you have 2 speed module 1s that you want. Okay. So you need sulfur and advanced circuit. Here? How do you get that? Here's supposed to be sulfur. Okay, that looks correct. Okay, do I have any chemical plants? Oops. Oh, I didn't have any electric poles in there. Try that again. All right, and then petroleum gas is here. Maybe. Yeah, looks like it is. Okay. And what else? You need water. Okay, how did I get you water? Is that goes nowhere. There's a pipe to nowhere. Apparently deleted something else. Let's see. Where would water be? Anywhere? Who else needs water? You need water. How do you get water? You don't. This is supposed to be water here. That's supposed to be water there. That's supposed to be water there. And there, and there, and there. And it goes nowhere. How do you suppose I was getting water in there? There's water there. Oh, yeah, of course. Okay, so this print was not made on this map. So I probably had, yeah, I just was feeding water in there in the sandbox. I just hooked water up. So right now, I need to figure out how to get water in there. Okay, so where's the closest water? Down here or up there? Is there water down here anywhere? No. Who else needs water? You need it. You need it. And then we're going to need it later on down here. Okay. Do I have any offshore pumps? Offshore pumps. Can I get some water? I kind of like the look of that because it's out of the way. There's a little puddle right there. That's not really there. I don't know what that was. That's not there either. Does it even show up? No. This is that water fill mod. And somehow it got splattered all over the place. I don't know what happened. It's when I was cheating, you know, that what happens when you cheat. It looks like the water fill mod threw up all over the place when I don't know how it did that. Anyway, that's all that is. It's not really there. Is there any real water up here? Is that real up there? Yes, that's water there. Okay, so let's go. And where did I need water? Right here's water. Okay. All right, so give me some water. Offshore pump, please. Like that. No, this. And I don't know how, that's pretty close. Let me grab some more pipe. It doesn't take a ton of water for simple things. Let's see, a pipe. Making plastic, making sulfur doesn't take huge volumes of water. The oil refinery, when you get fully going, can use quite a bit. I need this water to go over here. You are water here. So this is supposed to be water. And it's up there. Okay, let's just go up here. How about if I ran it on the other side of the power line, maybe? Kind of keep it out of the way. How about that? This will be different when you're playing. If you use this blueprint, of course, the location of water in the map that you're playing will be different. Okay, so there's some water. And here. There we go. Oh. No. No. Like that. And over here. Like that. There's some sulfur. Coal is very weak. Oh, that's why. Okay, let's see. Oh, that's a nice 21 million there. That's probably the logical choice. Okay, add tag. Need coal. Like that. That'll be a project for another day, because I have to have more coal. And that was all I could get from this tiny little miner. Yes. Yes, and there were no other closer mines. No. Okay, so I have to build a train and bring some coal in. I'm going to finish hooking it up first to make sure everything's running. So there's some circuits. There's some sulfur. Okay. And I had water? Yes. Sulfuric acid. Okay, water goes here. You are kind of weird. Why did I do that? I don't know why I did that. Oh, probably. Okay, it doesn't make any difference. Yeah, that's fine. You have water. And you are sulfuric acid. This is a little tank to buffer some acid. Okay. You need to be iron plate and sulfur. This should be iron plate. Oops. Iron plate. I'm holding F. I made a mistake there and got material on both sides of the belt, so I cleared off the excess. There's the iron. I should be held. Yeah, I got some sulfur now. Let's get rid of that. Oh, I don't want it. I can't put it in there. Put it in here. There we go. Okay, that will make sulfuric acid. Like that. I need chemical plants. Those are made here. You don't have power. Oh, I missed giving you power. Okay, there's sulfuric acid. Okay, chemical plants. All right. You need iron plate. And copper. You are supposed to be iron plate and copper. There's copper. You are iron plate. You are iron plate and copper. You will be batteries. Like that. Okay. Looks reasonable. Let's see. Oh, I forgot what I was working on. Let's see. You need iron plate. Speaking of iron plate, you need iron plate. Okay. Yeah, that's the one of the issues with having a blueprint where everything is in the print is you might get off track and build things in an inefficient order, which was what I just did there. Try to stay focused and build one part of it at a time. I mean, and what you're trying to build. What I'm trying to build right now is chemical science. So I got off track there a little bit. Sorry about that. What is that chest limit set to? 50. I wonder if I should bump it up to 2 stacks. And you need to go here. You need sulfur. Sulfur and advanced circuits. Where would you be? Right here. That's not right. Again, that's why we test. What are you? Okay. I want this. This is chemical science. I want chemical science. Wonder if I would have preferred to have those flipped around like this. Like that. I don't think I think I like it better like this. It seems clearer to have those separated. Anyway, I need more of those. Those long-handed inserters can look a little confusing. You can have. I'll show you up here. You can have them pointing in different directions and actually kind of stacked on top of each other. So up here I could have done that, but I thought it looks better to have them separated. Where was that? Where was that at? I was just working on that. Right here. So I put them in separate columns. I've got these two are pointed to the right and these two are pointed to the left. I could have done it like this. That looks kind of confusing to me, to have them pointing in different directions, so I kind of separated them. It's whatever you want to do. Steel. 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 Here's some steel. You want 2-speed module ones. Okay, so there's some chemical science. Oops. I was off by 1. Hard to see. Like that. There's some chemical science on the belt, maybe. No. Missed one. There we go. All right, chemical science. I want advanced oil processing. I want robots. Construction robots. Like that. So there's chemical science on the belt. And I think it's going to make it down here. Are you not? Maybe. Yes, there it is. And that'll go down there to the labs, and I can research robots. So I think that'll do it for today. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please click on that thumbs up button. I'd appreciate it very much. Like I say, when I get all this running, I'll make another blueprint, and then I'll publish that blueprint, which I've not done yet, because like you can see, there's things I've broken that I need to fix. Anyway, thanks for watching. See ya.